If you really want to understand how the world works, economics would be it. My name is Vitor Trindade. I'm an associate professor of economics at the University of Missouri. We are a very hands-on program. We have quite a few classes that will require students to actually do research. Another emphasis on the program is on international issues. And all of these courses are designed to take a globalized perspective on the world. One advantage of a master's in economics is that it's quite open to a variety of backgrounds. For example, students with an engineering background, statistics background, or mathematics background, typically people end up doing some form of economic and data analysis for either a foundation, a private company, or a government institution. They become data analysts in banks, in healthcare. We've had a person who became a financial analyst for the Kansas City Chiefs. We have people that go and work for government. One person went to work for the Korean National Assembly. Students that do well in economics are typically people that are curious about the world. And they want to find out how the world works. And can we explain how the world works, and can we make it better?